Hi, English 1. Good morning and happy Tuesday to you. Again, I wanted to apologize for my late post last night. We were dealing with some aftermath of the storm, so today it looks like we're back in business, and everything for the rest of this week, as scheduled, will be posted in a timely manner. So, a few of you emailed me yesterday regarding thesis statements, and I'm so happy that you did because I really appreciate when good writers want to be better writers, and I can see that so many of you are in that boat. So the first thing you need to do in order to write your thesis statement is make sure you have a clear understanding of what I'm asking you to argue, right? So I'm back at Unit 3, Summative Assessment. And if I was with you in class right now, we'd probably read this assignment together again. But since we're not, and since I do have limited time available, I'm going to go ahead and just jump to the exact place where the question is, right? Under objective. So I always write my assignments in the same way, purpose and objective. I think it's important for you to understand the purpose of why we're doing this assignment. And this assignment specifically was written because of the pandemic that's forcing us to work in this digital setting. So objective is the task. The question driving your research is, how does media play a significant role in our lives? Quite a few of you emailed me yesterday asking if you had to include coronavirus in yours. And that is not necessary. It is the exigence. It's what inspired this project. It's the reason that we're studying media and that we're studying the role of media in our lives. And of course, you're going to have a significant amount of resources available to you that have to deal with coronavirus, but no, it's not required. We're talking about media in general. Okay, so I'm clear of the assignment. How does media play a significant role in our lives? And I'm prepared to write my thesis statement. Remember, slide 2 has your thesis statement, and it should include the specific strategies. Those are the rhetorical strategies the media uses as a means of persuasion, and a brief understanding of your critique of those strategies. Okay, just briefly. One sentence. So I've already done something here. So I received an email from a student yesterday, and that student provided me with these 3 reasons and asked if this was okay to use in his project, and I think they're great. All right, so the use of pictures to prove a point, the use of specific and factual evidence and data, and the use of important and knowledgeable people to prove that a topic is relevant and true. I think those are fantastic strategies, and I think that what makes them even better is that I can see that this particular student knows exactly why they want to use it, and I can see the direction they're going in critiquing. What I did was just next to it is I created like an official strategy for it, because some of these things don't have like official titles, right? We can call something symbolism, and we know what symbolism is, but some ideas that we're articulating don't necessarily have a formal title that goes with it. So I've gone ahead and given them formal titles. So I've said textual and visual representations, scientific data, because I was looking here at factual evidence and specific data, and also credible sources. Okay, so those are my 3 rhetorical strategies, and I want to be sure to include them in my thesis statement, especially because in the directions, it's bolded and says specific strategies. I'd be silly not to include that. So here's my first thesis. It's a basic 3-pronged thesis, and this is what I see from a lot of students. You've been taught to write a 3-pronged thesis statement, and there's nothing wrong with that, but I think it's time for us to take it to the next level. Okay, so here's what I've got. Thesis 1. Media plays a significant role in the lives of consumers because it persuades consumers to act swiftly through the use of textual and visual representations, scientific data, and credible sources. So the question I have to ask myself after I've written that is, does it answer the question? And are there specific rhetorical strategies in there? If the answer is no to either of those questions, the thesis just doesn't work. Does it answer the question? The question is, how does media play a significant role in our lives? Let's see. Media plays a significant role in the lives of the consumer because it persuades consumers to act swiftly. Sure does. Okay, so it does answer my question. I'm going to go ahead and put answers the question. See assignment. I'm also going to stop and do a second screencast for you because I'm running out of time.